Hi, my name is Ido. I'm an ML engineer at DagsHub. Today, we're going to learn how to query out data to create subsets. I'm assuming you've already created a data source and added some data to it. If not, please check out our previous videos, where I explain how to create a project from scratch. After our data is enriched with custom metadata, we can query it to generate a subset for training our model. These can be downloaded or streamed directly to your training environment using the DagsHub client. We can do it through the UI or through the DagsHub Python client. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate both ways. So, I'm going to head to the datasets tab and go into the data source I just created. I'm going to define my query. So today, I want to find all the cute cats and the high resolution dogs for my very real ML project. I'm going to head to the advanced query builder and turn it on. First, I'm going to create a OR group and my first condition group for the cute cats. Okay, so I'm going to add a condition for categories contain cats and cute equals true. Then my next group is gonna be categories contains dog, because I want the dogs and I want them to be high resolution. So I'm gonna do size bigger than 60. And also something that happens to me quite a lot is that I'm looking for dogs, but it actually shows me hot dogs. So I'm gonna make sure the category does not contain hot dog. Okay, so I guess it might exclude a picture of a dog eating a hot dog, but I'm okay with that. I can apply the query. And now I see all the photos that answer to this query, which is not many, but that's all right for now. I can save it as a new dataset, name this dataset cute cats and high res dogs, and I can save it. Now, when I look at my data sources list, I can see a new dataset here. First thing is to pip install the DagsHub library. Then I'm gonna use the datasources.getDataSource to open my repository, which is called awesome repository. And this just gets the first data source from my data sources. So I'm gonna run this one. It will prompt you to authenticate to DagsHub, so you're gonna have to click the link and authenticate. I just did it before the video, so it just accesses it. And now I'm gonna write my query. So I'm gonna use my data source object and I'm gonna create a condition group with parentheses. I'm gonna do data source categories dot contains cat, and it has to be cute. So data source cute equals true. Make sure that when you use operators like equals, big, small, this, we surround them with parentheses. So we have our cute cats. We also want to accept a high resolution dog. So I'm gonna use OR, which is represented by this vertical line, create a new group with parentheses, do ds the categories dot contains dog and ds size is bigger than 60, and I want it to be not ds categories contains hot dog, and make sure to surround this with parentheses, and this one just to be sure. Okay, surround it all with parentheses, so Python is happy. And I'm gonna do new query dot save dataset and give it a name. I'm gonna run it again, and It says dataset cats, cute cats and high-res dogs from Python client saved. Now I can head back to DagsHub, go to my datasets tab, refresh, and I see here another dataset created from the Python client. So just to sum everything up, data sources are basically connections to our data location. You can see it has here the root location. From the data sources, we apply queries, either using the Python client or using the UI, and we can create subsets of our data. These subsets can be versioned, shared, worked with, and they appear here in the datasets, just under data sources. That's it for this video. If you want to learn more, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.